Konnekt is a communication platform integration designed to interact with your SAP instance using messaging clients like WhatsApp, Telegram, etc. Konnekt platform is divided into two areas. The one is a conversation with your SAP HANA, S4 HANA system or an ECC system. A registered vendor in your SAP system can find out his balance statement or get purchase orders from the system. The second area which we are concentrating is an event based system. That is, if there is an event generated, let's say an invoice got generated or delivery information got updated, this gets updated to the customer or the vendor. Jumping to the demo, we have two personas which we'll be concentrating. One would be a vendor called ABC Systems, and the second one is customer startup solutions, right? So let's focus on the vendor to start with. I logged in as a WhatsApp user, as a vendor. So let me communicate to my SAP system by just saying a hi message to the phone number which was provided to me. So what does the system do? The system will automatically grab my information from my SAP system. It will match my phone number to the vendor, ABC Consultancy Services, and replies back to me. So now what I'm looking at? I'm looking at let's say account balance. I just say account balance. What the system will do now is we'll go and grab the information as on today and will show me a credit balance. So this is exciting. So let us try one more command or conversation which we can have with the system. Let's say account statement. So this will go and get me information from my system and my account statement, which I can look at quickly. So this is how it looks like. So this is good, and the next thing we can do is try to focus on some other stuff, like let's say purchase orders. I want to know what my purchase orders let me get my purchase order information, right? So if I just say purchase orders, please share the purchase order number which you would like to get. All right, so let me get a purchase order number which I know should surely exist. So let me try this. Oh, this got me the whole purchase order in a PDF format which I can view. So you can see the whole complete purchase order from the SAP system. Now let's try a purchase order number which is not existing in the system. I'll say purchase order, or in short, let's say 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is a purchase order which does not exist for this particular vendor. So you get say no purchase order exists. Now, so what happens in the system is the phone number is mapped to the business partner, and from there it only gets their documents, not all the documents. So let me try out another purchase order which I know exists for this particular vendor. So we can see a different purchase order number also. Excellent. So just open this purchase order and just have a look at it. we can see the whole purchase order. This is good. So let us try same conversation from a customer. Now we are logged in as a customer into WhatsApp. So let us again run through the same things. So here we have just sent a hi message as a customer, and we received this information. So we'll do the same thing. We'll run an account balance as a customer. So you should find debit balances. So you have a debit balance. We'll again run the same thing, account statement. Instead of we'll specify the time frame though this time. Instead of account statement from last 3 days. And you should be able to get an account statement in the last 3 days. So I'm just opening that. So you can see the different from last 3 days, what are the different billing documents that have happened, document numbers and their opening balances, right? So let's go this close this, and we'll also try to get one invoice from the same. We already have the account statement, so let us focus on getting one of the invoices. So let me get that invoice 7193000483. right? So let's get this, and you would get the PDF of that invoice, and you can see the invoice. Let me open that invoice for you so you can see the complete invoice. And this is from your SAP system. So now let's do one more small thing. Now let's look at if we have let's try an invoice which we are not the owner of. Let's try 7193 011. So it will tell me that no such invoice exists. All right, so let's do one more command, or I think so we are good. Let's focus on the event management side of it. Let me try to create an invoice for the startup solution, and let's see what happens. I'm not conversing with my SAP system now, but my SAP system is conversing to my customer directly from the system. So let me log into my SAP and create an invoice for this particular customer. So I have some pending deliveries for this customer. So let me take that and create an invoice. Okay, so there is a 510 document that's got created. Now automatically it should also be sent to me. Oh, new billing document has been created and it has been sent to me. I can open the tax invoice from here. You can see the number. Yep, so we have the complete document. So whenever there's the invoice raised in the system, similarly you get the whole tax invoice. So we have created already certain cases where a delivery note or a purchase order, such type of information is also got. Now let us try one more thing. In addition to the event management, we just created an invoice. Let us see the account balance. It should actually increase. So the previous account balance was so previous balance was 100731. Now we can see balance of 102324, that is this invoice added. So this here comes to the end of the demo. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the video, and we'll be happy to answer them. Thank you very much for taking your time. Thank you.